What powers a cremation retort? A cremation retort, also called a cremation machine or chamber, is typically powered by either natural gas or propane, though in some regions, electric-powered systems are also an option. The choice depends on your local infrastructure, energy cost, and environmental considerations. Number 1, natural gas and propane. These are the most common power sources because they provide the high, consistent temperatures needed for the cremation process, typically between 1600 and 1800 degrees Fahrenheit. Natural gas is often a preferred choice for facilities with existing gas lines as it's efficient, cost-effective, and widely available. Propane, on the other hand, is ideal for rural or off-grid locations where natural gas connections may not be an option. Number 2, electric cremation systems. While less common in North America, electric cremation systems are an emerging option due to their lower emissions. They're particularly useful for facilities prioritizing sustainability. At FT North America, we offer cremation equipment that works efficiently with any of these power sources, helping you make the best choice for your business. What happens during a power outage? Power interruption can understandably be a concern, but modern cremation machines are designed with safety and continuity in mind. Here's what happens. 1. Automatic shutdown for safety. Number 1, automatic shutdown for safety. If there's a power outage mid-cremation, the system is equipped with safety mechanisms that bring the process to a controlled halt. The chamber maintains its heat for a period of time, ensuring that no part of the cremation is left in an unsafe state. Number 2, backup power solution. To mitigate this risk, many funeral homes choose to install backup power systems, such as generators or uninterruptible power supplies. A backup generator can keep the retort operational, minimizing downtime, and ensuring the process can continue seamlessly. Number 3, resumption of the process. Once power is restored, the cremation retort can resume operation. Modern cremation systems, like those from FT North America, are designed to pick up where they left off safely, avoiding damage to the equipment or any interruption in service. Planning for reliability. When you're starting a cremation business, planning for contingencies like power outages is crucial. At FT North America, we not only provide state-of-the-art cremation chambers, but also guide you on the best practices for ensuring operational reliability. This includes recommending backup power solutions tailored to your facility's needs. Ultimately, with the right cremation equipment and proper planning, concerns like power outages become manageable, allowing you to provide a consistent and dignified service to the families you serve. If you'd like to explore your options or learn more about systems features, we're here to help.